Hello friends, my name is Anirudhagupta. In this video, we will talk about Azure Static Web. This is app service provided by Azure to host application that is static by nature, like Angular and React. And using this, you can host your application with the other backend written in Azure function. So most probably, you will be able to use Express and Azure function written in C Sharp. The benefit of this is having the two things in a one application, and you don't need to care about anything. You can modify it from both of them from the same repository without taking care of both things separately. I have activated this sandbox, so you can see that this is activated for me. And if I go to portal.azure.com, you can see this portal. I If I go to resource group, you will be able to see that this is the, so you will be seeing something like concierge subscription. This means that this is the learn, and when you click on it, you will be seeing that this is cloud shell, and here you can create the static web app. For doing that, you can do something like this, and I have already created one application, and let me show you. So when you click on create, what you need to do, you need to define the source group that we already have. You need to name the app, and there is a two option like free and standard. Free have some limitation, and like you can see, like free you can do maximum app size to 50 MB and the maximum 500 MB in standard if you are paying the $9. And there is some other functionality like enterprise grade range that is, this is not available in the free but in the standard plan. And if you look further, suppose I select this. Okay, I can't so so what I need to define, I need to define this is my organization, this is my repository, this is my branch, and I have already done that thing in one of my application. So if I show you, this thing is not public, I believe, and here you will be seeing a workflow. And in workflow, when you clicking on next here, it will be generating a file in your repository, the one that you have selected, and you can see something like this. And this in this file, you can see that this is running on the Ubuntu, and this thing, you need to don't need to worry about. You just need to care about the parameter. One is app location, that is client. I have, if I show you, I have client in my application, that is the UI, and there is another thing that is called APIs. That is your application. You can choose either you can use express.js, either you can use C sharp. That is your choice. And output location is this. That means that my application, Angular application, will be giving the export in this folder, and this folder will be picking up by this build system, and same will be hosted to the Azure platform. So after doing having this thing, if you commit any changes in the this branch that is mentioned in here, like main branch, it will be able to take your changes to the server. This is the one thing, and this location for the application, and this place, it where will your application will be hosted. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.